Good morning. What is this? Thursday, almost November, December 11th. Um, feeling a little bit better. Got, I think, okay sleep. Fitbit may say otherwise. So, yesterday, I told you I got rid of my last INAR, and now sales have done better. I don't know. It looks like I'm off to a good week, so that's good. Sorry, the sounds may be low again. That's just my voice. So 10 shipments going out. So 275 yesterday, off to 50 today. And you may notice something. You can actually see the table. I don't know if that'll work. It's a lot cleaner. I've been taking the big banker box. I had to clean that off first anyway. And I took the big banker boxes of airplane cards there's just a stack, and it was past the point of tipping. It was getting ready to fall over. So I've been taking those out and just kind of sorting them. Haven't been listing them yet, but kind of sorting them into other boxes to sort in the future someday. But I was going through some of the boxes, and mixed among the, stacks of 500 of one airplane, I pulled out a nice little stack of non-airplane cards. I made some really cool uh, large letter greetings, a whole bunch of real photos of churches, old ones, some nice street views, stuff like that. But I also found this would have been nice to have a month. I wish I would have looked through the box a month ago. That's the Edmund Fitzgerald. Just celebrated the 50th year of it sinking. I have just a few. They may not be big money makers, but it would have been nice to have those a month ago. And then also in there has a little corner issue, a really nice old 19 teens or earlier Ravenwood, Missouri. Nice street view. Never even heard of Ravenwood. And then a real photo of its railroad station. So that's a nice little bonus. There is comps from years ago. It's like 136 for one. It's a nicer one because the train is actually at the station. But nice little bonuses in and amongst the thousands of the same copy of the same airplane. So that's a nice little bonus. So let's see what's going out. $287 worth of orders. There's some big orders in here. So let's get pooling. Looks like they paid. They paid for shipping. Oh, I got to refund this guy some. I got to figure out what. Oh! Don't look! Don't. He paid for priority, and I didn't want you to see his address, so I will refund. Well, I gotta figure this out, and I don't want to. I don't want to have his address shown up. Pay for priority twice. Even with priority, who knows if it's going to get there. So one of the card stay orders, I talked about this, the very first card stay order. I shipped it, I upgraded it to priority shipping from Ground Advantage. So it would make sure to get it to the person in Georgia in time for the post. Excuse me. Feeling better, but that's just that little tickle cough. Just freaking annoying. So just make sure it got to the person in Georgia for the Postcard Club meeting next week. And so it was my local post office accepted it on the 4th. No scan, no scan, no scan, no scan, no scan. And then finally this morning it magically appears in the Georgia distribution network. So a week with no scan, and that's priority. So at least the USPS, well, hopefully, I mean, it still has to get it to the correct person in the next 8 days. Something like that, excuse me. This is the other card they bought. I imagine if they're, oh, right on top. I imagine if they're paying priority, it's a Christmas gift. That's my guess. I think I'll do 2 sleeves. I usually just combine them in the same sleeve. But they paid priority, so they get the extra penny sleeve for free. And I didn't pull my airplane cards. I didn't pull my 1 airplane card. AW12. Also finding a whole bunch of choo-choo trains. I got a stack like that of choo-choo trains. A lot of the same. There's 51, 25 of another, stuff like that. W12. Got a cough. Zelienople. I think that's near Pittsburgh. I'll pass it already? That's a cool one. There it is. Zelienople. W12. And for the card stays, definitely getting rid of the backlog. I'll have 100 unit order probably tomorrow morning. They ordered 50 of one and 50 of another, and I'm just printing the second ones. I have 10. Yeah, so I can get. They'll be done today. Later this evening, those ones will be done. I've been kind of kicking out like little 5 and 10 orders out pretty quick, and then I'll have a backlog of I think 75 after tonight. So doing well with those, and I did lower the handling time from 2 to 3 weeks down to 1 to 2 weeks. So again, thank you to everybody who's ordered. BA18. Now, I've been using. I misprinted. I had 5 going, and there was it stopped for some reason. I can't remember why it stopped. I think it maybe ran out of filament or something. And so I took the plate off, and I was getting ready to crack them off, and then I noticed that the top 1/8 of an inch was unfinished. And so I put them back on, and I just misaligned the plate by a 1/16 of an inch, but the top little hook is crooked, so I used those, kept those for myself, and I have them in use, actually upstairs where I've been sorting all my cherry pick stuff. I have them in use up there. I will say they work pretty well, and I have them for my Whatnot show. I have them keeping the stuff up right in there. So they do work. I mean, they haven't been earthquake tested, but I shook them pretty good in the little video I did. Oh. Anywho, today I'm going to keep on working on this basement. Like I said, I just have this stack of probably 30 banker boxes of the airplane cards. If I get at least half of those whittled down, I won't be in fear of it tipping over. Why don't I only get $2 for that? What happened? Is it damaged? Doesn't look damaged. Oh, the water stain. That's why it's $2. I didn't. No, I didn't put in there that it's damaged, but hopefully they see the damage. Pretty easy to see. That's why $2. AA34. I like these Japanese art ones. Wood block-esque. Did I put? No, I did not put wood block. With them. That's the right one. Wait till you see the sales price on this next one. Very thin. AV. AV. Doesn't look like much, does it? AV14. I listed these back in April. Some nice cards. Oh, this is cherry pick stuff. AV14. Come on, be there. Oh, wait. No. Where is it? Ruh-roh, Raggy. Oh, there it is. Doesn't look like much, does it? Should I make you pay the $5 or just keep that for the paying members? Or maybe I'll just give you a little teaser and why the $5 membership is worth its money. You'll get that money back. Oh, geez, there we go. Drum roll. $115. And that's 30% off. So it's been up for, well, since April, which means it's gone through at least one end and relist. And I saw I had a watcher on it, and I just shot out a 30% off offer. And it's sold. R88. So nice sale there. Pretty much saved the day. And I have another one down here. It's pretty decent. Let me see, R88, not this. Although the ghosts in the Haunted Mansion, they're a consistent seller. Oh, that looks like I have a couple of them. 3, 4. Okay, maybe they're not a consistency. I have 3 more other ones. And what I do is, I don't know if you can see it. There's on his forehead. So it corresponds to number 1. There's the number 2 when I list. So when I'm pulling, I know exactly which one they want. And I'll list them separately. I try to stay away, unless the card is exactly the same. I try to stay away from multiple quantities, like the airplane cards. Those are considered. They're all the same. I mean, they're fresh, new, old stock. They're there's no differences between each. Some of them I just took right out of the cellophane. Then I'll change out the sleeves. But these older ones, well, this one has writing on it, so that's obviously different, but they're going to have edge wear different. So I list them all separately. B15. One more after this, I'll do a refresh. Still going to be a 16 to 17 minute video. Ulstersville. Never heard of it. I got several of these. That's number 6. 2, 3, 4. That looks right. Now these ones I didn't write because they're so much different looking. I didn't write the number on the sleeve. 16. And then the last one is $41 for this one. I do have a video on this. B4. BA4. So members, I know I have a video on this subject here. So you can go watch that. Someone told me about this card a couple years ago. I find them every once in a while, and they all go for about that. Oops. BA4. That's why the membership for $5. If you find one of the, oh yeah, Popeye told me about this, and there's a $40 bill in your pocket. Okay, quick refresh. Nothing else sold. Still got that one pending auction. I think that's an auto pay after X number of days, but I've sent them like 3 invoices to try to motivate them, and then they're a repeat buyer. So. Okay, that is it for the day. Thank you for watching. Hope you have great sales, and we'll see you tomorrow.